Hello everyone, this is the topic of human anatomy and physiology in the pharmacy, and I am from assistant professor of Department of Pharmacology, and today we will discuss our first unit, the cell. Content of cell, introduction of cell, and various component of cell and functions of cell. So now start. This is the basically normally structure of the cell. So this is a very smallest unit and functional and uh, creativity and various type of cell. If these are cell contain various components like microfilament, centrioles, nucleus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and various others. So we will discuss further the about of cell uh, following. So now the cell is two type like prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So we are also known as prokaryotic cells in which include the bacteria and virus and etc. Is like a nucleus or membrane bone structure called organelles. So it is not having the nucleus or membrane. So these are called the prokaryotic cells, and prokaryotic cells are also depend on others animals and made. This is not self-made food. So these are depend only others uh, animals and etc. So these are called prokaryotic cells. And second then is eukaryotic cells. Cell may be helpful of made of cell food. So these are called eukaryotic cells, and these cells are found in various human living things like plants, fungi, and animals. So we are only further study the only eukaryotic cell because human anatomy are the to know the about of human body. So we are discuss further eukaryotic cells. So basically, these are following three part of cells. Number one is nucleus, and second then is cells, membrane, and third one is cytoplasm with organs. So these are major part of cells, and these are further having following components. Next, the two main type of eukaryotic cells, these are follow. Okay, so usual it in which like plant cell, and plant cell is this, and animals is a round shape. So these are two types, and in which are some different, only some different parts are. So these are two types, and the very years and the very small size originals can only be observed under a microscope, have a specific function found throughout cytoplasm. Maybe these part only observed in the microscope. These are not a visual eye. These are visual only with the help of microscope. Okay, so next is organelles found in cell. So, variant organelles are found in the cell, like Golgi body, nucleus, lysosome, ribosome, and endoplasmic reticulum. So these are basically two type of endoplasmic reticulum. Like some first of all is rough, and second then is smooth. So rough are called in which the having a ribosome. So are called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And basically following broadly to know the lysosome. What is the lysosome? Lysosome is contained a digestive enzyme. So these are also known as a digestive enzyme. And second then is breakdown of food and burn out of cell parts of cell. So these are very helpful to digest the foods and warm the other functional cell parts. And next then is programmed for cell deaths, lyse and release enzyme to break down and recycle cell parts. So these are very important of the part of cells, and these are very important. So next is smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth are also known as either lake of ribosomes and makes protein used in the cell. So these are smooth ribosomes are not having ribosomes. So these are smooth, and rough endoplasmic reticulum are also have the ribosomes. Okay, and these are no next are the various important part of cell and very important of content of cell. These are called the powerhouse of the cell, and this is known as a mitochondria. These are rod shapes and others shape. These are following visual, and these are animals mitochondria. Active cells like muscles have more mitochondria, burn sugars to produce energy, and the mitochondria produce the energy. So this is the very helpful component of the cell, and again known as a cell membrane. So cell membrane is the outermost layer of cell. So these are very important organ of cell, and these are the cover the whole component parts of cell. So these are very important role, and these are semi permeable because the some part inner and some part is out. So these are very important role in the cell. Next is cell or plasma membrane. So cell membrane is outer layer and living layer. So these are called a living layer, and these layer are produce the control of the movement of materials into and out to of the cell. So this cell membrane are control the material are present in the cell. And next cell is a cell wall. So cell wall non-living layer. This is a non-living layer, give structure and shape to plant and bacteria. So this layer are non-living, and the give to the cell its shape and structure of to the plant. So first of all is to known the animals, and this is the human body or animals. So various the function of the cell. this provide the structure for the body and to take in the nutrition from the food, convert those the nutritions into energy. So these are the cells to having the various function like cell division, cell growth, and various other activities. And next one is cell also contain the body's hereditary material. So various types cells are contain the hereditary character like uh, uh, like uh, uh, like white blood cells and these are contain defense system of the body, and it's a very important role of the body. And next one is cells are the covered the whole body. So this cell covered the whole body with the help of skin, and skin made up by the various type of cells, various type of tissue, and etc. So these are main function of the cell. So you are also understood the known of cell, what is the cells, and what is the content of cells, and what is the function of cell, and what is the important of cell. So today we'll are overall covered the topic of cell. What is the cell? Okay. So now that's thank you.